Alright guys, welcome to our further keys. So today our song is from Tagoe Sisters. Tagoe Sisters, and the title is Makuma Tomiyem from Tagoe Sisters. And then it is in the key of A flats. It was done in the key of A flats, but I'm playing in F. So I've transposed from A flat to F. First, let's start with the intro. So that's the intro. So now to the backing. This is how the backing goes. This is the backing. So it is fa, so, do, so, do. So this is fa when you are playing the root. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So this is the root chord for fa. So to so, do, so, do, fa, so, do, so, do. That's how it is. So let's try with the music. so, do, fa, so, do, so that is for the backing. Okay, so for the bass lines too, that is how it goes. Re la fa fa, re la fa fa fa, so do so, and then la mi re, la mi do re la fa fa fa, so do so, la mi re, hey, sorry, la mi do re la fa fa fa, so do so. You can either play do mi do. So that's the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and then turn on notifications so that you'll be notified any moment we post a new video. Thank you, and don't forget to leave your comments there. If you have any song that you want me to break it down for you, you can send it to me through my WhatsApp number. It's on the screen there. So just send the song to me on the WhatsApp and then tell me that, Alfredo, I want you to break this song down for me. I'll do that for you, and then possibly share it on YouTube for all of us to enjoy. Thanks very much. Bye bye.